Oh, we get lost in the night. We living in life, we don't live it twice, so we gon' get right. Oh, yeah.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today, well, I have my day's makeup on, so I look crusty, but I just washed my hair because I'm about to put it in Faux Locs. Faux Locs. That's how you say it. But yeah, I'm about to do that, and I'm about to, like, you know, show you how. If y'all was watching my videos before, if you watched my previous videos, you've seen, like, I literally cut my hair in the middle of the school year, and, like, it's grown. Give me, like, 10 more months, and, you know, at the end of the next semester, next school year, then we gonna see again. Okay, let's time this out. Okay, it's 9:12. We're in hour 1. But yeah, first I'm just gonna comb it out, detangle it, moisturize it. I don't know what I had on my head before. I didn't even know it was tangled like that until I got to detangling it, but that's... I just can't stop, it feels good. Okay, so the hair I'm going to be doing today is Goddess Faux Locs or whatever. So for like the curly strands, I got a beach curl. And, oh, I thought I got a mixture of this and something else, but no, I guess I just got a beach curl. And I got a Cuban twist double strand Marley hair. It doesn't really say it's Marley hair, but you know, Marley hair, yeah, Cuban twist. I'm looking like that because I usually do use Marley hair, and it doesn't say Marley hair. Let's get into it. Now I'm going to switch to a voiceover because I want to watch Netflix during this, and if I talk during this, the video would be so long, so I'm just going to get to it and just hope my audio does the job. Okay, what I'm just doing is dividing my hair into sections, and this is depending on how big and how many dreads you actually want. And so, yeah, I'm just going in with about 4 at the bottom and then just going up from there. After you've parted each section, just braid it into a braid. This will be the base of your dread, and this will literally be like, yeah, the base of your dread. So I just do this to the rest of my hair, just part and braid till literally the whole head. This part doesn't have to be necessarily perfect because when you wrap your dread, it'll just tighten at the root. So like the roots don't have to be like a perfect tight braid, if that makes sense. Okay, it's 1:31 a.m. and I just finished the base part. I started some in the beginning, but I'm tired. I'm gonna be back to finish the rest. Okay, it's the next day. I woke up and clearly my hair's not done. I had a dentist appointment, whatever. And I'm back and about to finish. So technically we're like on our... Okay, I stopped at like 1 a.m. last night. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. I'm on like hour 5. Because I did take a break and eat pizza in the middle. But yeah. I've done a couple dreads as you can see, but how I'd actually started is using a crochet and taking a curly strand and crocheting that into my hair. This will be like the bottom of your dread where it's curly, so this makes like the goddess part of your dread. Now I'm taking and stretching out the Marley hair to get like the most out of it you can and stretching it out so it's easier to use also. Starting at the root, I'm just going to grab my hair, take the Marley, and just continue to wrap and making the root real tight. Like look how I really grab and just wrap it around a couple times, and that'll just make your hair look neat. When you're wrapping the hair, you want to keep the braid that's underneath straight so it's not wrapping too, and this will kind of like keep your hair from unraveling, keep the dread from unraveling, keeping it neat for a longer amount of time.
So yeah, I just keep wrapping until the end of the hair, and yeah. You can't really see it here, but what I'm doing is taking a lighter and burning the end so the dread sticks and doesn't unravel itself.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
What's good, y'all? So clearly you can see my dreads are not fresh no more. It's been like 5 weeks, I think, 5-6 weeks with this hairstyle in, and I'm about to take them down. And I'm thinking like, okay, let me edit the video, right? Just to make sure, because I'm not about to take this hair down before I know it's complete. And the battery must have died, I must have lost footage, but the end of the video did not record, so like how I finished up the hair. So this is the hair like literally a month or 2 later. It's still good. Dreads is a style that'll stay for real. You can see the growth, I know it's crazy, it's just whatever. I'm just gonna show y'all the part that wasn't in the video. So these is like goddess dreads or whatever, right? You know, they're like curly ends and they have curly parts to it. But like before I was finished, like the ends, like the hair just didn't look full enough. So what I did was I went in with this hair that I use at the bottom. You know, it's the, yeah, you can, I don't know how to say it. Okay. Yeah, and then what I did was I literally just crocheted like pieces of it to my hair so it looked fuller and like the curls were everywhere. Not just at the bottom. I don't know if that makes sense, but I literally just took a crochet and grabbed this. And pulled it through. And I let this part be long. And I'll take the other end. I'm not even showing y'all, damn. I'll let this part be long and I'll take the other end. I'll just wrap it with a lock or tie it like a knot. But I'm about to take this out, so let me not just do all that extra shit. And then it was like a curl. It's in there. So I did that throughout the hair. I did like a couple of them. And it just like creates that goddess, you know, look. You make me wanna come through, quarter after 2, just to put it down on you. You make me wanna. But yeah, that is all, folks. So that's how I do my goddess locks. And it's still here months later, so you know this is a hairstyle that's a lifestyle, period. Just kidding. But yeah, it lasts a long time and you'll be straight. You literally, I haven't done my hair in so long, and that's why I don't want to take it out. Like, it took me so long to take it out because I don't want to deal with my natural hair, bruh. But yeah, thanks for watching. Oh my goodness, this hair needs to go. It still look good though. The dreads still look good in some places. Adios, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe or whatever and share this video to your friends who need help with their hair or whatever. But deuces. Make sure to follow me on Instagram too, sis. But deuces now, bro.
We living in life, we don't live it twice, so we gon' get right. Oh, yeah.